This is a global first, India first, scientifically proven and evidence-based child brain development program that gives every child the opportunity to achieve their fullest brain potential. This program has 3 simple but powerful components. Every child undergoes a scientifically designed developmental screening that evaluates important areas of development, including communication, fine motor, gross motor, problem solving abilities, personal social skills, and overall developmental milestones. Second, based on your child's individual developmental status, which is determined through the questionnaire that you have answered, our system generates a personalized neurodevelopmental activity plan, and every parent can complete easily at home just by sparing 15 minutes a day towards these activities. These enjoyable, scientifically designed activities help stimulate healthy brain development and support a child in achieving age-appropriate milestones. They are fun to do at home every day. And thirdly, as families complete these activities, children progress through exciting achievement levels, receive recognition and awards, and celebrate their developmental journey and achieving that 100% potential together with the Srishti community. I would also like to assure every parent that your child's developmental report is completely private and confidential. It will be shared only with you. More than 2.3 lakh families across Andhra Pradesh have already benefited from this remarkable initiative, and today Srishti parents are receiving this unique opportunity for their own children. So my humble request to every parent is this: please don't delay, complete the developmental screening process when we give it to you, understand your child's brain development status, then take a promise to yourself and to your child that you will spend just that 15 minutes every day completing these neurodevelopmental activities. This simple activity book is not just a book that you will receive. It is your child's passport to reaching their fullest potential. Treasure it, complete it with dedication, and remember, as a mother, you have the extraordinary opportunity to give your child an equal chance to succeed in school, in life, and in the future. Your child's journey begins with your actions today, that is to do the screenings and to complete the activities for brain development under the CareNest program for your kid every day. Together, let us ensure that every Srishti child reaches 100% of their true potential. In a separate video, we will guide you step by step on how to log in, complete the developmental screening questionnaire, and access your child's developmental report. Once your responses are submitted, your scientific system will generate a personalized report card which you can collect during your next parent-teacher meeting. Even if your child's screening shows age-appropriate development and normal development also, the journey does not stop there. Every child benefits from continued neurodevelopmental stimulation and activities, just as nutrition and food should be given to them every day. Scientifically designed brain stimulation activities help strengthen the brain as children continue to grow, ensuring they keep progressing towards the full potential. Let us work together to give every Srishti child the brightest possible beginning. Together, let us build children who are not just ready for school but are ready for life. Thank you so much.